Yeah, got small one. Out here at Pandan with Kevin, and Sean with his new rod. The new rod that he got from Beach Road. Still got the thing, never come. Fishing, deep diver. Sangkut. Sangkut. What's the most lures you lost in one day here? What's the most huh?
Remember that day I lost all my deep diver?
Those were the dark days, man. Normally you fish where's the east side? Kevin, with the first fish of our trip today. First cast and first blood, yeah. Golden colour one.
The red and gold one.
Oh yeah, we saw a lot of toman fry there, right? A lot of big fish there. Where are they? No, where's the big fish? Ooh, nice. That was fast, man.
Lucky I set up on the way here.
Where? He go here?
Yeah, over there.
Where?
Yeah. My...
I saw peacock, but then they all like not biting. Popper fly. Maybe it's time to change to the little rubber bait that I bought for you. Yeah, got small one. What? Hey, jaguar sick lead eh. Cool, yeah. Jaguar. Cool, yeah. Snap my grub. Just now what you catch? Where you catch your one on? Ooh, what you caught a peacock on jig?
Use grab?
Yeah, using grab. Wow, bloody hell, fly in my nose, yeah. I don't know whether blows out already or not. Cool, yeah. Damn cute.
Yeah, very small. Oh! Popper? Yeah. Fuck you, don't touch my rod.
Wow, his teeth sharp, yeah. Under the lip him. Dude, just change, put a hook on the popper, man. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh. Continue until I cuts into the. Oh my god, I broke it. Hey, red devil.
Big yeah?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, jig eh?
Wow, hey, nice, yeah. Hey, nice, yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, fucking big, yeah.
Holy shit.
So this is what I've been eating. Wow. Oh, nice, yeah. Red devil. Big, yeah. Hey, the fight strong, right?
Yeah, on jig eh?
What kind of jig is it? Oh.
I have no idea, I don't want to check.
I think have, yeah. Even the little jaguar also got quite sharp teeth. Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
Cool, man. I use my phone and then I send you later. Nice.
Careful, Dick. Go on.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
Careful, ah. Oh, nice. Wow, big sia.
Colour.
Is that the first time you catch red devil?